Okay, you are welcome back to the concluding part of this online course concerning writing your project with AI assisted. We are looking at closing pages. When you are writing your projects and you are done with your chapters, the next thing you are going to write is your references. You understand? So your references is where you now list all the work that you cited during the course of your project. Remember, as we discussed, when you are writing your project, you will be making references to other people who have studied related topic. At the end of your study, you list all the people that you have cited. We call it references. The mistake some students do is that they will go and copy references from wherever, maybe from another person's project or what, I don't know, and now use it to make up their own project. No, now, things are not done like that. That is not how to write your project. As you are writing, you'll be making citation. Those work that you cited, you now list them in your last pages of your project as reference, depending on the referencing style your institution is using. Many institutions use APA referencing style. We are currently in APA version 7, okay? Any citation that appears in the body of your project must be referenced here. Any reference you have here must also be appeared in the body of your work. Anyone that is not in each order should be entirely removed. In AI tools that we have used, you have seen how to generate citation. You can also use it to generate references. It's not that difficult. At the end of the day, you put your appendices. Assuming you use questionnaire to carry out your research, you can add it as your appendices. For those in computer science, you can put your coding list in your appendices. And depending on your institution preferences, there might be any other thing that you add in your closing pages. Okay? So having a project from your department handy is very, very important and necessary. So coming to the end, we are going to introduce yet another interesting AI tool. That particular one is called Perplexity. This time we are going to use it to do our references. For example, you have forgotten how to write references. Maybe the one you are looking at, it is not well organized, you don't understand it. You can just use Perplexity to get your references. Let's see. Show me examples of APA reference style. So once I do that, I'll click next. Perplexity will go to work and show me different examples based on APA reference style. I hope you understand this now. This time, there is no way you won't be able to write your project using AI. You don't have to pay anybody to write your project. Even the statistical work, anyone you don't understand, the AI is there to answer your questions and even pull up some YouTube videos for you to go and watch, including courses that you can watch and get more insights. So what are you waiting for? I will encourage you to recommend this course to your friends, even your younger ones, so they will also benefit like you, okay? Do not go out because we still have a lot of AI tools we may like to see. The next thing we'll be looking at is different AI tools that we did not use during the course of this training. I will be bringing them for you so that you know that things like this exist. So we'll be starting with AI writer tools. The number one is ChatGPT. We have used ChatGPT here and it is very popular. In fact, it is because of the launching of ChatGPT that you see so many AI tools going viral because they made their own free to use and what have you. Before then, we had some other AI tools, but they were not free. Okay. We have also seen Perplexity AI. We have explained that Perplexity AI is good for research writing. Another one that is also good for research writing is Trinker AI. You can also go and check it out. Another one is Wordvice AI. Another one is also Cloud AI. Cloud AI, just like ChatGPT and Perplexity, will allow you to start using them free without paying anything. And there are so many other AI writer tools. There are so many of them. These are just a kind of examples. After AI writer tool, we also have AI paraphrasing tools. Paraphrasing tools will help you to rework a sentence or a paragraph. Maybe you see a concept and you want to change it so that it will not look exactly the same with the concept. You can use AI paraphrasing to change it. This does not mean that you go and copy another person's work and start paraphrasing them. No, it is not like that. Remember, some AI detector tool will also detect the place where you paraphrase them from. So, but this is just for ethical use, okay? Another paraphrasing tool is paraphraser.io. This is also okay. Why I like paraphraser.io is because whatever it paraphrases is somehow free from AI content detector tools. Okay, unlike Quillbot. But remember that you have to look at it again and correct some of the sentences. Another one is Grammarly. Grammarly is actually not a paraphrasing tool. It is for grammar checking and spell checking. It is also very good when you are writing content. You can get the pro version. I think it costs about $12 per month. Then next one is Hemingway app. It's good for checking the readability of your content. You can go and check it out. Remember, there are so many other paraphrasing tools. Then the next one is AI citation tools. We have used QuickBooks during the course of this training. You can also check other citation tools like Typeset's IO citation, Petal citation generator, Cite AI, and so many other ones. Then for AI content detector tools, we have Turnitin. Turnitin is not really an AI content detector tool, but a plagiarism tool. Turnitin has been there before this AI generation happened. You understand? So Turnitin is basically for plagiarism. It can also check for AI detection. Another one is originality. Originality will check if a content is AI generated. Then we'll have another one called GPT-0. We'll have GPT-0. We'll also have 0GPT. You can use any of them. We also have content scale, and we also have copy leak. Why are these tools important? It's not meant for your supervisor or school administrators to use them to catch you when you generate something using AI. No. When you write your content, you can use them to check if your content is detectable by AI content detectors. If they are detectable, you can go and use a paraphrasing tool to rework them. Okay, I hope you got the idea. Okay, let me introduce you to yet another AI tool. For example, you have a lot of research work in PDF that you would like to read in order to help you to carry out your own research. But there are too many and you don't even know where to start. There is an AI tool that will help you to do it. It is called ChatPDF. Let me show you. If you come to this website, chatpdf.com, all you need to do is to upload your PDF file here and you will chat with the document. Let's do that. I have this PDF file on online learning, a panacea in the time of COVID-19 crisis. So if I drag this file and put it on ChatPDF, it will process in order to upload it. Once it is uploaded, AI immediately initiated a chat saying hello and welcome. It has started talking about this particular PDF document. So I can say in a chat here, summarize this document. So I will then click on this button. AI will go to work and start to summarize it for me. Do you see? It has given me a summary because the file normally is 18 pages, but it has given me a quick summary here. I hope you understand. So I can also go on and ask more questions. For example, I say, what is the significance of this work? Then I click next. It will search the entire work and bring out what? The significance. This is how to do your research with AI, and you can complete your project research in a record time. You don't need to pay anyone. Finally, I am going to introduce you to our final AI tool, This tool is known as Google Gemini. So if you go to Google, for example, you will see people searching how to write project proposal. Look at it here. How to write project proposal. And if you don't know how to write it and you come to Google to search for it, Google will gather information from so many areas that it will take you time to read. Okay, look at it, all this information that Google will pull out for you, and you will start to open them one by one to read them. But you can use AI to get information on how to write project proposal. Let me show you a tool that will help you to do that. The name of that tool is Google Gemini. So if I come to Google Gemini, I already signed up, that's why it recognizes me, and I enter the prompt, how to write project proposal. Then I click submit. Google will go to work and state in detail how to write project proposal, so that I don't have to download so many documents just to get this information. Do you see AI helping us to solve our problem? It will show you even additional information. See, it won't be very nice if I don't tell you about this legend. This legend has been there for us for a very long time. The name of this tool is Google Scholar. Google Scholar basically is not an AI tool, but it is very useful when it comes to academic research. Instead of using normal Google search that will pull information from so many places, Google Scholar will focus on academic documents. It is also very good for citation. That will be the end for this lesson. I hope this made your day and you won't have to pay any person again to write your project for you. Please let me know what you feel about this course. If this course was helpful, please go to the customer review area and write your honest review about this course. Please, this will help others who are looking for help to buy this course and get help just like you. You can also follow me on my YouTube channel, where I will be giving other digital tools that are helpful both for education and for business. Until next time, bye.